The month of February have been coming in, and the numbers look pretty good actually for a couple of companies. Hero Moto, for instance, has posted some very strong sales numbers for February, and strong domestic sales have offset weak export sales for Bajaj Auto. M&M, however, has been trading negative because of a brokerage downgrade. Sonia is here with all the details. Before I come to the good, a quick point on M&M, Sonia. What's worrying the stock and why the negativity?
Well, yes, as you rightly pointed out, M&M is the biggest Nifty loser today. That is because the management had a conference call yesterday to tell analysts about the negatives from the budget. But during that call, they also mentioned that the company will see a 100 basis points negative margin impact from Q4 FY16 due to the phase out of the excise duty incentives at the Haridwar plant. Now, that 100 basis points negative impact is much worse than what the street had feared, and that's why a lot of brokerages have gone ahead and scaled down their estimates on M&M. Credit Suisse has downgraded M&M to a neutral. They've reduced their target price to 1,310. They recommend a switch from M&M to Maruti, and they say that the valuations of M&M are no longer compelling. But on the upside, the star of the day clearly is Hero Moto Corp. That stock has hit a fresh 52-week high on the back of strong auto numbers in the month of February. Total sales growth of 13.5% at 5.5 lakh units. And remember, this is despite the production at Gurgaon and Daruhera getting impacted because of the Jat agitation. The new scooters like the Maestro Edge and the Duet have been doing very well, and that's helped them increase their scooter market share. For Bajaj Auto, this same old story. Weak export sales, but very strong domestic sales because of good Avenger demand. Back to you.
In the passenger segment, we have grown by 26%. Well, this growth is on two counts. One is we have expanded our product portfolio in SUV, where we have added TUV and KUV 100. Fortunately, both the products have received very good response at the market end, and customers have really awarded us with this with the new products. The demand in the urban market continues to be strong. Rural, as we all know, actually has been struggling.
Domestic sale is the result of what we have been talking in terms of the strategy of focusing on the lower end with the CT100 and the Platina, and the sports end with the Pulse and the Avengers. So this strategy has worked out very well. With the Bajaj V being launched shortly, production will come in. We should be sitting close to about a little shy of 200,000 numbers in the month of March. So for us, this growth that is taking place of 30% is almost triple the industry growth of 10% that we have seen this month. I think we would be going back to the targeted market share of about 21-22% that we had said that we set a target for ourselves at the exit point of March.
All right, time for a quick break, but coming up, debt-laden ABG shipyard